Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change voice on Discord mobile. So if you want to hide your true voice, your real voice, and you want to use the voice changer, you can on Discord, you can just follow these steps here. So you can open the Google Play Store first or App Store if you are an iOS user, and after that just find this voice mode soundboard apps. So this is, you can see one of the feature on the voice mode is change voice. So you can just tap on install and wait until the voice mode apps uh successfully installed on your phone. Now after it has been installed, you can just click on open. Okay, let's just wait until the voice mode apps is opened, and here you can see there are lots of voice options that you can select it. For example, this baby is right here. Now you can just tap on this microphone icon to start recording or start using uh, the voice filter or voice changer. You can see now, and here after it has installed, you can just open your Discord. Then first you can go to your profile and then head to the settings by clicking on this gear icon at the top and scroll down until you find the app settings. In here, tap on the voice options, and then here under the input mode, you can just change the input into voice mode, and after that for the output don't forget to select headset. And now after that your voice will be filtered or changed to the voice that you choose on the voice mode. And that's pretty much all. So if you don't want to install the voice mode, you can also find other voice changer apps on the Play Store. Just use the one that you like, and after that you can use it on Discord. And I hope this simple tutorial will be helpful for you. So if you think that, don't forget to click on the like button and also subscribe to our channel to support us, and also click on the thanks button below. So I'll catch you all on the next tutorial. Bye.